So I've come down to Loch Doon to do another section of the video that I've been working on for months and months now. It's about the Loch Doon Spitfire, and I've been doing little sections at a time whenever I've had the weather to do it. And today this will be the final part of the video, although I haven't filmed the start or the middle yet. But I'm doing the final part today, which is the flight of the Spitfire as it arrived at Loch Doon and made the steep bank too low, too fast, and the wingtip hit the water and tumbled the Spitfire into the loch, and it wasn't recovered for, I think, 40 years. So the sun's not in a great position just now, but however, and it is quite windy, but it's the Mavic 3 which can take a bit of wind. So I'm going to be throwing it up and doing this now. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a wee bit of background of why I'm here at Loch Doon today doing this. And if it doesn't quite work out today, I'll come back out and do it another day. As I say, I've been making this video for months and months now. I've done quite a lot of the sections and redone them because it just wasn't quite right. So anyway, off I go.